Good day viewers, and thanks for tuning into Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. You are watching the Petrochemical Market Synopsis with me, Viabhavi Pathare. It's Wednesday, December 14th. Let's start with energy news. Crude oil prices gained steeply on Tuesday on the back of a fall in the value of the US dollar. Brent crude prices rose by $2.69, settling at $80.68 per barrel, while WTI futures increased by $2.22, settling at $75.39 per barrel. On Tuesday, open spec naphtha prices rose sharply by $16 per metric ton at $642 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Before we move on to the Asian market updates for PP, PE and PVC, please do click on the bell icon to subscribe to our free news channel. And if you like today's video, please remember to like this video by giving us a thumbs up. It motivates us to continue to bring you this free informative news service on a daily basis. Back to the Asian market updates for PP, PE and PVC. In PP, this week PP prices gained in some parts of Asia. In Southeast Asia, PP raffia and PP injection grade prices were assessed at $890 to $950 per metric ton CFR levels, up by $10 from the previous week. PP film prices were assessed at $900 to $960 per metric ton CFR levels, while BOPP prices were assessed at $900 to $960 per metric ton CFR levels. Both week on week increased by $10 per metric ton. PP block copolymer prices were assessed at $910 to $980 per metric ton CFR levels, a rise of $10 per metric ton from the last week. In India, PP raffia and PP injection prices were assessed at $950 to $990 per metric ton CFR levels, up by $30 per metric ton from the last week. BOPP prices were assessed at $970 to $1,010 per metric ton CFR levels, while PP film prices were assessed at $970 to $110 per metric ton CFR levels. Both week on week increased by $30 per metric ton. PP block copolymer prices were assessed at $990 to $1,040 per metric ton CFR levels, a gain of $30 per metric ton from the previous week. In PE, this week LDPE prices gained in the parts of Asian region, while LLDPE prices increased across the region. Prices gained on expectations of an uptick in demand in China as the country relaxed pandemic curbs. Meanwhile, HDPE prices quoted flat in the Asian region. In PVC, this week PVC prices displayed a upstream in South Asia. The rise in prices was the result of bullish upstream EDC and VCM values. A rise in offer prices from overseas producers coupled with tight material supply also proved to be contributory factors in pushing prices higher. Meanwhile, PVC prices remain stable in China and Southeast Asia. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. This is Polymer Update with me, Viabhavi Pathare from Mumbai. Many thanks for watching.